Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Magic of One Click. So today we are going to type 76th program of HTML. So let's get started. We have to first open the notepad and now we'll type the program. The new thing in this program is how to use NOVALIDATE attribute. We'll start with doctype HTML. We'll start with HTML tag, body tag, h2 tag, now we'll end h2 tag. The NOVALIDATE attribute is used to signify that the form won't get validate on submit. Now we'll use form no validate email input type equals to email name equals to user underscore email. Now input type equals to submit name equals to submit. Now we'll end form tag, body tag, and lastly the HTML tag. So now we'll just save it as 76 with the extension HTML and in all files. So now let us check the output. HTML folder, 76th program. Here we will type the email whatever. Then we will have to click on submit. It will reset automatically. So this is the basic output of 76th program, how to use NOVALIDATE attribute. And don't forget to check the tags in description.